Throw a dishwasher tablet in your toilet bowl and watch what happens. You might think I'm crazy for even suggesting this, but hear me out. Dishwasher tablets are designed to deal with some pretty stubborn messes. Think about what they handle every day. Dried food, oil, grease, coffee stains, tea stains, cloudy mineral film, and that chalky buildup that clings to dishes and glasses. That's why dishwasher tablets contain a powerful mix of cleaning agents, enzymes, and surfactants. These are meant to break down grime, loosen residue, and help lift stains from hard surfaces. Your toilet bowl is also a hard surface. It's usually porcelain, and over time, it can collect mineral deposits, limescale, rust stains, and that annoying toilet ring that seems to come back no matter how often you scrub. So, while dishwasher tablets were not made specifically for toilets, the cleaning ingredients they contain can be surprisingly effective at loosening those stubborn buildups that tend to form inside the bowl. And before we get into it, let us know in the comments which country you're watching from, because hard water and mineral buildup can be a bigger problem in some places than others. All right. Here's how to do this method properly. First, drop one dishwasher tablet directly into the toilet bowl water. Then let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, even longer if you have heavy buildup, old stains, or a visible toilet ring. Up to an hour should be good enough. During that time, the tablet will slowly dissolve. Some tablets foam more than others, so don't worry if yours doesn't create a huge dramatic reaction. This is not about making a big show. The real power comes from letting the ingredients sit long enough to loosen the buildup stuck to the porcelain. After the wait, take your toilet brush and scrub thoroughly. Focus on the waterline, under the rim, and any stained areas. You may notice that the brush glides more easily over buildup that normally feels rough or stubborn. That's the tablet doing its job. Once you've scrubbed the bowl properly, flush. One important warning before you use this trick: the tablet goes in the bowl only, never in the toilet tank. The tank is the part behind the bowl, also called the cistern. It has rubber seals, plastic parts, valves, and other components that help your toilet flush properly. Dishwasher tablets are too concentrated to sit in there. They can wear down or damage parts, which may lead to leaks, running water, or expensive repairs. This is where some toilet cleaning hacks go wrong. People see a cleaning tablet and assume it can also go in the tank, so the toilet self-cleans with every flush. But dishwasher tablets are not suitable for that environment. Use this hack only in the bowl where you can let it sit, scrub, and flush it away. That gives you the cleaning benefit without risking the internal parts of the toilet. And for the love of God, don't mix this with other cleaners. This means no bleach, toilet cleaner, vinegar, or random bathroom chemicals at the same time. Mixing cleaning products can create irritating or unsafe fumes, and it's simply not necessary for this method. So go ahead and give this trick a try. You should notice a big difference. The porcelain can look cleaner and less dull, especially if mineral film has been making it look dingy. If your toilet has a light ring or mild staining, you may see a big improvement after just one use. Now, if the buildup is heavy, old, or thick, don't expect a single tablet to work a miracle every time. It can help loosen the deposits, but you may need to repeat the process. That said, this hack is especially useful for maintenance. If you do it occasionally, before stains become rock hard, it can help keep the bowl cleaner with less effort. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, share it with someone who loves clever cleaning hacks, and subscribe for more simple tips. Also, be sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new post.